Ever feel like managing your social media content is more stressful than it should be? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to stay ahead of your posts using Canva's content planner. First, you'll need a Canva Pro subscription. Don't worry, there's a free trial so you can try it out without any commitment. Once you're in, open Canva and head to the apps menu. From there, find the content planner and connect all the social media accounts you want to manage. This is where the magic begins. Scheduling posts is incredibly easy. Just pick a date and time from the calendar, add your caption, and select the design you want to post. And if you haven't created a design yet, no problem. You can make one directly in the Canva editor, click share, then schedule, and it'll be ready to go. It's a seamless way to plan your content without juggling multiple tools or apps. The best part, you can visualize your entire posting schedule, adjust timings, and even plan weeks ahead. No more last minute stress or forgetting to post. It's all organized in one place. With Canva's content planner, staying consistent and creative on social media has never been easier. Try it out and see how much time you can save while keeping your content fresh and engaging.